pull up Casso for New Age Outlaws. I know y'all done seen them before. Nate, Eddie. It's a whole bunch of them. I don't want to miss nobody's name, but I know Nate and Eddie throwing the Casso. And we're gonna pull up. I'm by myself today. My son, he get out of work a little later. I told him don't trip, get your money, you know. We'll go to another one because I can't stay super long because me and my wife going to the movies tonight. But my bro Kelvin in front of me, yeah, he in front of me in his truck. I'm finna swing by the parts store. Let him get I gotta tighten the stuff up. These speakers can loosen a lot of stuff up in this truck. But anyway, we're gonna swing by the parts store, grab Kev brake light bulb, one of his brake lights out, and we're gonna pull up at the show. The parts store is on the way to the show, so we heading there. We're gonna do a little detour on the way, and shoot, I'm in the Tahoe today. If you can't tell, but still waiting on, you know, when the Camaro get back. We took the Camaro to the show last year. Camaro come back, we'll be back out in traffic and here, but we heading to the show today. In the Tahoe, man, we're gonna pull up, show support, kick it with my people. And I'll bring y'all along when we get there, man. All right. I thought I'd get in there.
like in the slow run, I got sound in there. I ain't got no sound, no real sound in my
You got power though.
Yeah, but I want that sound, but you know, I still want to have a little sound though.
Yeah, I want that power. You know, Janky did his suspension a long time ago. That must sound so good. See, if I get my car down about that quiet, we love. Well, I want to talk a little bit. Don't try to turn away from the camera. Come on, Lear. Throw up a peace sign, man.
Video man.
That's who you call. That's who you call as you want to buy. This for sale. Nah, I know.
What they got that green over there?
I don't know. I know it's fans, but I do not know. It ain't no guarantee with him. It ain't no guarantee, so that's a no. Yeah, I can do it.
Hey, big 403. Big 403 on. Running though.
You move them chairs? I grab one on.
Don't care until we get out. That's it. Go out the road, man. Her like you on the phone. You know no phone. I ain't gonna.
He was gonna do mine fast.